はい、皆さん、こんにちは。ウィンズです。今日の気分はどうでしょうか？お元気ですか皆さん？Hello everyone, this is Vince. How are you doing today? Are you feeling good today? I hope you are. 本日ですね、今日もまた基本的な漢字についてお話ししていきたいと思います。Hello, for today, I would like to discuss to you, 皆さん everyone, I would like to discuss to you another basic 漢字 character. 正確に言うと、その漢字はこちらに表示したです。こう漢字です。Specifically, I would like to discuss this kanji indicated right here. ところで皆さんこの動画をもしいいねボタンを押してチャンネル登録お願いします。皆さん最後まで見てもらえたら嬉しいです。Hello everyone. If it's okay with you, I would like to request that if you could press that like button and please subscribe to my channel. And one more request, if you could watch this video or lesson rather up to its end, it will be so I would appreciate it so much. 皆さん、それでは皆さん早速始めていきましょう。早速始めていきましょう。皆さん、さあ始めます。Very well then, let's begin. Our last, if you remember, 皆さん if you remember, with regard to kanji characters, our most recent lesson deals with this kanji right here, all about bugs, insects here. But today, our topic is this inu or dog. Inu, dog. So let's start. How do we write it? It's easy. It's actually easy, 皆さん. You see, it's just 4 strokes. It's just 4 strokes. Okay. Let me present to you how it is being written. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I need not say that, and actually, I've been saying this many times before, that you should be abiding with the correct stroke manner and stroke order. So the details of the strokes and strokes order are here, particularly if you have a kanji practice writing sheet. So you may screenshot that, 皆さん. Now our kanji today, it's all about dog. Now it's right here. Our subject kanji for today, it's right here, and it's about dog. The meaning is dog, and of course the onyomi and kunyomi are easy too. Don't worry, 皆さん. The readings, they don't have any okurigana for today. Onyomi reading can. Onyomi reading can. Well, a bit related to the Chinese sound chuan, but well, a bit related, chuan. And if when translated to onyomi reading or Chinese-based reading in Japanese, it's ken. Kunyomi reading, the native Japanese Ainu derived reading, or kunyomi reading, inu. Okay, inu. Well, actually, 皆さん, this kanji right here, believe it or not, it can also act as radical. It can act as radicals or component. Inu, kemono hen. Kemono means beast. When you see the hen being suffixed, it means that the usual position of the radical or component is usually placed at the leftmost part of a kanji, acting as a component. Kemono hen. Kemono means beast. Inu. Okay, so the ancient form is right here. This is the ancient writing, and we all know that kanji characters were actually derived from pictures written in old scripts or oracle bones or other or let's say ancient vessels. They're actually pictures, ancient pictures. But actually, minasan, if you will ask me, I have a special mnemonic with this inu or ken. Why do I know that? Actually, there's a kanji that looks similar to this. It looks like a person because a person is this one, minasan. A person is this kanji. You see the red font dai, that's the person part. Now there's a dot at the upper right portion. There's a dot. So my mnemonics here is that here's the person, and the dot here. Here's the dog. Obviously not a large type of dog. Let's say Shih Tzu. Here, Shih Tzu or Pug. Here's the dog that the person carries. So here, this kanji here, 1, 2, 3, it's a person. And as I said, this is a person carrying a dog. So imagine that this dot here is a dog. It's a dog. So it's a person carrying a dog. So so that's a personal mnemonics. That's my personal opinion on that. So you can use that mnemonics, well, or simply memorize this form. And this kanji anyway is not difficult. The only reading is ken, and hey, the original meaning is dog. Original meaning or ancient China meaning dog, and primary meaning, oh, worthless or wasteful or fake or snooper, spy. Yeah, snooper or spy. Let's say you're a a spy dog or an attack dog, but that's already a secondary derived meaning. When it is acting as a component or kanji, our subject kanji, when it is acting as a component or radical, its original meaning is dog. Well, we go now to vocabulary. Vocabulary. Let's see if we have a dot pattern here. So the blah 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 ken is blah 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 dog. Blah 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 ken is blah 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 dog. So we have a pattern, or the dot is blah 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 or nani nani nani. Blah 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 inu, blah 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 inu is blah 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 dog. But this is more of an irregular usage. Continuing on our vocabulary, well, this is the just for experts. If you are curious with the history of that kanji character from the ancient Kangxi during the Shang dynasty in China, and oftentimes the kanji started from Shang dynasty, and the final evolution happened at the latter part of the Han dynasty. Well, we have here, what's this? I can, or pet dog. First kanji means love or beloved dog. I can. How about this? Kenshi, eye tooth. How about this? Yaken. Stray dog. Yaken. First kanji means field. Yaken. Stray dog or ownerless dog. The native Japanese reading, inu, because the kunyomi is inu. inu means dog. How about this? Guide dog. It's modo ken. Modo ken. Because the guide part here is the second kanji from left. This kanji here, the second kanji means to guide. To guide. So guide dog, do ken. Modo ken. Okay. I can. Pet dog. Kai inu. This kanji here means you are adopting a pet. The reading here, that's actually cow, but the extracted stem of cow is kai. The cow is a dictionary form, means to adopt a pet. So what cow is the dictionary form? What is the extracted form? Kai. Kai inu. Pet dog or adopted dog as a pet. Ya ken. Stray dog. Okay. How about this? Banken. Watchdog. Watchdog. Banken. But actually, minasan, there's a more appropriate translation for a dog that watches over. It's mimamori. Mimamori inu or mimamori ken. Mimamori ken. Ko inu is puppy. Ko inu, puppy, because the first kanji means child. First kanji means child. So child dog, it's puppy. Okay, getting interesting. Inu. Well, we have similar kanji here. So let's go now to some few sentences here. Mother bought us a puppy. Mother bought us a puppy. 母は私たちに犬を買ってくれた. So when you suffix kureta, actually this is a higher intermediate topic. When you suffix kureta, meaning after the te form, verb te form plus kureta means the speaker is expressing appreciation or favor being done to him or her by the doer of the action. What is the doer of, who is the doer of the action here? Or the doer of the favor? Haha or mother. 母は私たちに犬を買ってくれた. Mother bought us a dog. So the speaker here is expressing appreciation or gratitude to his or her mother. Okay. He loves dogs above all. He loves dogs above all. 特に犬が好きだ. 特に犬が好きだ. 特に means being specific, especially. When you know that's adverb, that adverb specially, it's 特に means especially, or being giving emphasis or being exclusivity and emphasis. 特に犬が好きだ. He loves dogs above all. Okay. I hear a dog barking in the woods. I hear a dog barking in the woods. 森の中で犬が吠えているのが聞こえる. 聞こえる means you're hearing something. 吠えている is barking or howl. 吠えている. 森の中で, again the de acting as to what place the action is done, as to what place the action is being done, as to what place the action is being done. Mori no naka means in the middle of the forest. Mori no naka de ino ga hoete iru no ga kikoeru. Okay, so for in the interest of time, minasan, please just screenshot these other sentences here. In the interest of time. Say you saw a big dog. What a big dog that is. Nanto okina ino daro. Nanto okina ino daro. What a big dog that is. It could be nanto or nante. But nanto is more surprised. Nanto. Okay. So let's go to names, minasan. Because 97% of the time, proper nouns in Japan are written in kanji. So the kanji, when you see the kana writing directly below the kanji, so that is the reading. Just like here, inukai, inukai, or inuowe, inuowe. How about this? Inubushi, inubuse, inubuse, inubushi. For this, how about this? Inugami, inugami, inugami. Remember an anime with the character Inugami. How about this? Inuyama. And for other names, minasan, please just screenshot the other names here. Please just screenshot the other names. The kana writing directly below the combination of kanji is its reading when written in kana. Just like here, Inuyama is here. Inuyama. So for other names, minasan, please just screenshot those so that we can save time. Before we close this lesson, minasan, I would like to make an omake. Omake is an embellishment or additionals for our video today. Of course, for the purpose of greater appreciation, minasan. So in Japan, there's a very famous dog called Hachiko, and so famous that the Japanese people decided to make a statue for this very loyal dog. I think Hachiko died even before the World War II. I mean Hachiko died, I think, around 1928, 1929. I may be wrong, but before World War II, or the Japan Sino invasion. So this is Hachiko. Hachiko is a male dog. The breed is Akita Inu. Akita Inu is the breed, and this dog Hachiko was raised in North Japan, I think in Hokkaido, and this dog is very loyal, and this statue here is very famous. If you go to Shibuya Kosaten, or Shibuya Scramble Crossing, near to the crossing itself, you can see the statue of Hachiko, and there's even a Hachiko bus in that area. So this is the statue of Hachiko, or Hachiko Zo. Hachiko Zo. Zo is statue. So actually in Japan, the movie Hachiko, they even made a movie for Hachiko. It's called Chuken Hachiko Monogatari, meaning the story of the very loyal dog named Hachiko. Chuken Hachiko Monogatari. So Chuken is a very faithful dog, because the first kanji here means loyal. This first kanji here means, or chu, means loyalty, fidelity, faithfulness. So this kanji means loyalty, fidelity, faithfulness, plus ken, Chuken. Chuken is faithful dog. Monogatari, the furigana is here. Monogatari, it's a JLPT entry vocabulary. Monogatari is a noun, and it means a tale or story, or legend. And I would like to introduce this vocabulary to you, minasan. It's mimamori. Mimamori means someone, let's say a dog or security guard. Mimamori is the act of watching over. Mimamori is the act of watching over, let's say a guard or a dog watching over his master, boss, or principal. So you can say Mimamori Ken. Mimamori Ken is a dog that watches over his master, as in dog. Mimamori Ken. Now we have missed a part here. So it says here the statue of Hachiko, Chuken Hachiko, and this is 渋谷駅前の渋谷駅の前のシンボル、ハチコ像。So this is it means that this is a symbol of the Shibuya train station. Shibuya eki mae no symbol, Hachiko zo, Hachiko statue. And actually there's a day in Japan that they celebrate or commemorate Hachiko, and it's similar to my birthday. It's April 8. Shigatsu, what's this? Shigatsu yoka. Shigatsu yoka. Or April 8. Shigatsu yoka. Shigatsu yoka wa Chuken Hachiko no hi. So during April 8, they said they commemorate a certain day in Japan called a day of the faithful dog named Hachiko. April 8. Shigatsu is April. Shigatsu yoka. Yoka is 8th day of a month. Shigatsu yoka wa Chuken Hachiko no hi. And here, Hachiko zo to ieba Shibuya no mochiawase basho no teiban. So it says here, Hachiko zo to ieba Shibuya no mochiawase basho no teiban. So teiban means this place here, this particular place here in Shibuya station is a staple landmark in that place where many tourists comes here in routinary basis. Many local and foreign tourists come here in routinary basis as if this tourist attraction is a staple. Teiban is routinary or staple. So that's it, minasan. So this is again, we've reached the last part of our lesson, and I thank you minasan for watching until the end. 最後までご覧いただき誠にありがとうございました。I thank you 皆さん for watching until the end. まあ他の動画を応援してよ。お願いします。Please support my other videos 皆さん。それでは皆さん、また次の動画でお会いましょう。Very well then 皆さん、I will see you in the next topic 皆さん。And we reached the last part. 今日はここまでです。レッスンもう終了なんです。So this is the end of our lesson. I'll see you in the next one 皆さん。また次の動画でいつも応援してくれてありがとうございました。I thank you for ever supporting 皆さん。それでは皆さん、Thank you for time. ありがとう。バイバイ。